Hi guys, today I'm going to show you unboxing of this Rhino USA coupler locking kit. I'm going to show you these two different sizes. So I mistakenly ordered the wrong size for mine. I ordered a 2-inch one, as you can see here. So this 2-inch one does not work with my specific trailer. I failed to double check those specifications. So I went ahead and ordered the larger unit, which is this one right here. And this one should fit my trailer. So far, I'm kind of impressed with the quality of the actual unit. So this is a smaller one. I'm just going to show you the differences. And the smaller one is this one right here. And the way it works is you use this key right here to unlock the unit. They give you 4 sets of keys, and the keys are going to work this lock and also this one. I'll show you what that's for. So when you put the key in there, you twist and it unlocks this. This pin opens up. After you insert this on your trailer hitch, you'll go ahead and remove the key and push this up and it locks into place. I'm going to show you a video of how it looks once it's on the actual hitch. But once again, this size is not for my trailer, so it's going to get returned. This here goes on the top of that hitch, and it uses the same key. You're gonna put it in here. If you put it in there the right way, it'll work. And basically, you just twist and it opens it up. So it's a pretty cool setup. And this goes on. So once you put this on, you put this on the part that locks the hitch in, and you twist it, and there you go. I don't know the technical name for that specific part, but this is what that's for. And I'll show you on the actual trailer itself. Now what I do want to show you is a difference in size compared to the larger unit. So you have this right here. It's for the 2-inch ball. This one is packaged a little differently. So this is for a 2-inch ball. The one for the 2 5/16 inch ball or hitch is this one right here. And you can see it's packaged a little differently. You would take this top part off. You're gonna have the same lock, so this is not gonna change. So that part is gonna stay the same. And then this comes up. And there you go. So it's quite a bit larger, as you can see, when we put it side by side. Overall design is slightly different. This is gonna have a different shape to it, as you can see. And then the same concept. You put the key in here, and this part pops out, and then you would push this in to re-engage. Now I'll show you how it looks once I put it on the trailer. Alright, this is Aiden. He's going to help us. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to put this coupler lock on this trailer. I'm going to show how it goes on. Basically, the lip is going to be holding it. So this goes just like this. So in most cases, you should find the size of your hitch or the coupler or whatever you want. The ball size is right there. So make sure you order the right size. I did order a 2-inch, it didn't work, so I needed this. So now Aiden's gonna help us. He's gonna push this button in. Come here, Aiden. Push it up.
Oh,
Nope.
how do I do it?
Yeah, it goes. That was hard. Alright, so this, once you put it on, you push this in and it locks. Okay, but this was a little difficult to put on.
Is it
But
locked?
it's on there. So this, you just twist and it unscrews. See? So then you just twist this until it lines up. Alright, so that's the end of that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, the video did get cut off. My videographer was my 5-year-old son, and the button got hit and it stopped recording. I had no idea. So other than that, the lock is nice. I like the coupler lock. It seems like it's built pretty well. The only issue I ran into is the pin that's attached to the coupler lock seemed like it was a little tight. So let's say this is the front of the coupler and this is the pin. It seemed like it was very tight. So I felt like I had to kind of tilt the coupler lock up a little bit and then smack it in with the palm of my hand. So I smacked it in and it locked. So it felt pretty solid. Now when I went to go unlock it, obviously you use a key to unlock it. I couldn't pull it. It was very hard to pull down, so I actually had to use a screwdriver to pry it down, and it unlocked. So the negative is that for that specific application, and I'm assuming it's probably just my trailer, it could be, you know, I don't know if it happens with everybody, but for that application, it's a kind of a pain in the butt to put on, but now I know what I'm doing, so I know I got to smack it in there, and now I know how to take it off. So that's the downside. The positive is if somebody tries to take it off and they get it unlocked with the key and they don't have a screwdriver to pry it down, they're gonna have trouble trying to take it off unless they start smacking it with a hammer and it breaks. I don't know how durable it is if somebody's pounding on it with a hammer, but it feels pretty solid. It feels good. I'm actually happy with the product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you. See you on the next one.